All right, it is time for the room tour because I guarantee you they want me out of here already. So yeah, it's the last day. We're disembarking at the moment. So yeah, this is Celebrity Infinity's inside stateroom 2120-2120, and this is just a standard inside cabin. And so yeah, let's take a look. As you come in the door, obviously there's all the assembly station information on the back of the door and on your card, your CPAS card. Immediately to the right in this room, we have closet space, and this is double width and has the racks if you have shorter garments that you can hang. And it comes with a robe and several hangers, and also the life jacket up there. And then, like we see in most configurations, we have like the shelving in here. Those are a bunch of drawers, as well as the safe and more, preserver equipment up there. And we'll make our way down this way. We've got the TV that is built in, and actually a pretty good size. I think this is bigger than most of the TVs that I've seen on ships of this age. So yeah, and then down here is the fridge, which I actually have water in, and I'm glad I remembered that because I'm feeling a little parched. And then there's a drawer in here as well. Let's make our way over to the vanity. All the usual stuff. I have towels on this chair that the room steward gave me that I never used. There's a mirror there. We come around this way. There's a giant mirror there, and that's me, of course. And this is the bed. This is in the queen configuration, or the double configuration, whatever. And this does split into twins if you need it to. And not much going on that wall, but there is some art there and a little chair, couch thing. This pulls out. I'm pretty sure I saw some stuff in there, so this room can sleep 3 then in that case. And then a little table, that's my stuff. And then we'll just make our way. Oh, let me have you look at the outlet situation here. We've got the vanity light switch. My portable charger is charging, 2 American outlets, and then 2 I guess European configured outlets. There is no like outlet by the bed or anything, but you do have the light switch control and the volume knob for announcements. I'm assuming that's what that is. Didn't touch it at all. So thermostat here, and then we'll go into the bathroom. Pretty standard, although I will say this shower is nice and big. We'll get there in a second. So we got the commode. This is where they put all the towels and stuff back here. That's like a night light. So if you turn the light off, which let me do that real quick, that stays on, which is nice. And then storage on the side there. You've got the provided, toiletries or whatever that you might need. And then the light. It is a curtain, but like I said, this is actually big. It's like a rectangular kind of shape with the angle at the end. The shower itself is a standard shower, but I think the shower head could be a little bit better. And then you've got this thing here to hang up, wet clothes to dry or whatever. But that's it for the bathroom, and that takes us back to the door. So let me get a shot of the room from this angle so you can see. Pardon the bed, it's not properly made. I just kind of put it together for the video. They'll come in and strip all that out and all that right now. But that's it. Do a little spin. But yeah, I want to thank you all for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all those fun things. We'll talk soon, and y'all have a good night.